Hello all. I started filming this morning and I think the battery died in the GoPro just as I was doing putting all these noggins in here. So I don't think it got me doing them, if I'm honest. It doesn't matter because they're only, I don't know, 360mm long cuts, just screwed in a lot of. I'd only time-lapse it anyway, so not much to see. So apologies if I missed it, but I'm sure you'll survive. It's still an absolutely disgusting day out there. Blowing a hoolie, chucking it down with rain, noisy, just horrible. So I'm stuck inside a leaky old barn. It's worst places to be. So the next job is to start lashing the floorboards down. So I'll put that, the glue. Oh, I've got a bit of a story to tell you as well. I'd forgotten about it until my mate reminded me this morning. The glue I'm using for all of this, all of these joints is this foaming polyurethane glue, and it swells quite a lot. It's good, I like it, until you sit in it. I'll see if I can show you down there. I'll go down the stairs, ladders, whatever it is, without killing myself, and see if, oh, I don't know if you can see my little lines all the way down. I've moved the scaffold a few times, so I wonder if you can see it there. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. So as I'm gluing all of these boards down, the glue is swelling out the top and swelling out the bottom and dripping. And I was climbing down the scaffold the other day to get some screws or something, get the driver or something, and I sat in the glue. Don't know if you can see that on my bum. Sat in the glue, didn't realise, and then I felt my bum getting warm from the glue, and then I felt my hairs on my legs get stuck to my trousers, and it started getting into a bit of a sticky mess. Because I'm up here on my own, I wasn't filming, luckily for you, I took my trousers off. So I had my rigger boots on in my pants. I hung my trousers over the beam just so the glue would dry until I could put them back on again, because I've got the knee pads in them. I'm spending obviously a lot of time on my knees. So I'm merrily working away in my pants. No one's going to come up here because I live in the middle of nowhere. Who knocks on the door? But my mate turns up unannounced, said, right, we're going to have a boys' night. Boys' night is film night and, I don't know, just chat, boys catch up. So he thinks he's gone to the wrong house when I'm working away in my pants. He thinks I've got some weird fetish going on or something. And I'm not too bothered. I'm not particularly shy or anything like that. So I just carry on, and he doesn't know where to look, bless him. But I'm sure that story will come out again and again. Every time I bent down, I felt my leg hairs sticking to my boots, sticking to my other leg hairs or my pants, or it was just horrible. I was in this right sticky, gluey mess. But you know, when you're in the middle of something, you don't want to stop. I don't want to put new trousers on because I've just got a couple of pairs out the packs. I've already knackered one pair up with glue, so I don't want to do it because they're expensive and I like these trousers. So I thought, my leg hairs, if I have to, I can, if they get too matted and too disgusting, I can, well, you can't clean it off, so my leg hair can go if need be, either the blowtorch or Mrs. Razor or whatever you have. But anyway, I thought I'd tell you a little bit of a story anyway, so it's, whether or not it'll make it into the edit, I don't know, but we'll try. So, I finished all of the noggins. My spacings are 400mm apart from here, which is my landing build up. So I wanted that a bit further away from the wall to get, so the edge boards had loads of support. So it's going to be a case of gluing these boards back down. It's just under 2 boards wide, and I try to have the joins on a noggin, on a timber if I can. So I'll set you going. You've got 2 bars of battery left there, so you should be able to see me do it for a bit. You don't need to see it all, but certainly do a bit. I put some glue on the tongues first, then glue on the groove on the back of the board, and then just work my way sideways.